Okay, YouTube, got the XL roll cart that I got on Amazon a while back. Gonna do a tour on it. Stay tuned. Well, here it is. I don't usually adjust it. I just keep it the way it is. This is mainly meant for all my stuff that I use mostly. Just roll it around from car to car. And I'll start over here. It's here is my mostly used bits. This one's cool for BMWs. It's got 10 on one side, 8 on the other. It's a magnetic 10. Just all the usual stuff I need. Locking S&K extension. You're gonna really need these a lot more now because when you got your hex drivers, popular hex drivers now, the cordless tools, you gotta have these. Got just spare tools here, Harbor Freight junk, bungee cords, rags. Just spray painted the blocks, put it down here, just make it look nice, that's all. And all my Milwaukee, just easy to grab. Here's the manufacturer to the tray that I found, product handlers. Got that on Amazon. Just cut them out just so these will fit. Took a Dremel, cut them out. Just sticks out a little bit there, but not too bad. Can't notice it. Got the glove holder from Harbor Freight. Just a cheap light here, just in case I'm doing interior work. Just grab that real quick. Has a magnet on it. My oil filter wrenches. My Milwaukee light with the Night Ease wire on it. This thing's awesome. The magnet doesn't really work that well on some places, so this will do the rest. And my mirror. Gotta have that brake clean. These are sockets for oil changes that I use mostly. My Mac Tools 1/2 inch. I can just romp on, snap on, flat. Texton screwdriver for the covers underneath. Oil change Pittsburgh, so I could beat on. Just for drain plugs. All my most used bits up here too. You just throw them in here. Milwaukee light. And there it is. I'll do my toolbox, but that would take hours.